Hi guys, here at Brayford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe on Andrew's camera. We'll probably switch cameras in a little while. Oh, I actually thought the camera was going then. There we go. Is this our double three coming out? Yeah, but then we'll just touch the water on the barrier.
Wait for your 2 kilo turning opening thing in front of the door. Which is going to carry tonight's football. I've got a match and off. There's not a double post for no reason. The thing is, Joe, you didn't know the video yet, but 374 only got a dodge. Dropped off the real 8 past.
374 did look like it sounded like it had a dodgy wheel.
The person decided to jump on the train and the door was half closed on the guards then.
Oh god, I know, that is bad. Same as happened at Newcastle. A lady jumped on an East Coast 91 and she fell on the tracks. And I had to help pull her out.
Just the other day, a lady was forced.
Oops.
To go.
Hang on, here she is.
Yeah. He was pushed in 1.774 yesterday after having her arms like that once the doors are floating.
Network rail. The camera's a bit steamed up. 153,381. And the back is 357. 153,381 to Newark. The back's 357 as well. 153,381 to 357 to Newark. And I saw it earlier when I come in. Cent's gone up. I didn't say that. Up they go. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.